this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and I have a haul video for you today from Charlie's Nail Art. Here's my envelope. Airmail, our queen, or their queen. So today I'm going to share some items with you. You pull these out and set these aside till the end. I got a lot of, what do you call them? Decal wraps, the water wraps. Let me start with the glitters. These are really, really pretty. These I'll be saving for Christmas. This first one is a fine iridescent hot pink. I think this is I love the fine mixes. I think this is really pretty. Royal blue. It is holographic. And 5 grams. So these baggies are full. Next we have got raspberry. How beautiful that is. I love these colors. And fresh green. These are going to be beautiful at Christmas time for a manicure, don't you think? Next I have got some fruit Fimos. I'm going to be using these really soon. And where's the other ones? 2 packages. These are 3mm mixed pearl gems. I think these are just, this is a little wonky. There we go. I think these are really super pretty. There's also the, I guess you'd call them the white with the gold. Those are really, really pretty. Love, love, love those. Some little metal crosses. Some, I call them mud flap girls. They're called sexy ladies. I call them mud flap chicks. Put those over there. We have also got sexy lady sequins. 2 grams. Love, love, love these. Let me see. Oh, we got a glitter over here. One of them escaped me. This is fine iridescent lime, 5 grams. That is so pretty. Love, love, love. Okay, let me get everything organized here. Oh man, what's on the floor? Sorry. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and don't forget to click the bell. I'm trying to reach my 1K and to become monetized here on YouTube. So I am in need of watch time, and if you would like to lend your laptop, phone, or computer and put my playlist called My Videos on, I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. And then DM me on Instagram, just.nailedit, because I'm keeping track for a future giveaway. So here we have some nail art stickers for Christmas. Those are really cute. And we have got some fall water decals. Some leaves. 2 Christmas design. Well, they're the same, but Christmas. Some more fall sceneries. And those are fall decals as well. I showed you those. That's really pretty. There's a duplicate. Nail art stickers. This is Christmas as well. Oh, there's 2 of them. I'll be keeping both of these. More fall. I think this is Audrey Hepburn. And last but not least, the cherry blossoms, which I love, love, love. And here are the foils they ordered. We have got Tinkerbell. And this is, I don't know what to call it. It's hollow though. Hollow. It's hard to see under the lights. This is another hollow design. This is a transfer foil. I have got 3 leopard prints and 1 flame phoenix. I'm going to take 1 leopard print, probably put that up in the Christmas tote. So I'll put that aside because yes, I'm planning my Christmas presents already. So these, let me see if I can move these aside. Give me 1 brief minute. Alright, we are back. This is my PR package from Charlie's. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Those are some gold shards. This is the sample holographic strands gold. This is beautiful. Just beautiful. Ooh. Let me see what I got. We have got some striping tape in pink. Let me see. Sample size pack. And this is pink. We got 2 bows. 2 little flowers. Love, love, love those. And these are the decal wraps.
Hello, Moto.
Sorry about that, mother's calling, so I gotta make this quick. We have these, those are my sample pack, and here are some, sample size pack. These are the black pearls. Put that over here. And this package here, Charlie is sponsoring my 1K giveaway, and they sent this to sponsor. This is all foils. So I'm going to really quickly go through and show you. This is a butterfly scene. Oh, it's really pretty. Princess foils. Oh, I can't see the design on this. It's hollow though. Another hollow. I'll be right back. Alrighty, I'm back. Mother was calling. To me, this one here is like a striped candy cane print. Could be Christmas paper. It's like you can make your own one on that one. This is like a Starry Night. I just love this foil here. The leopard print. This is a hot commodity. Tinkerbell. Gotta have Tinkerbell in the mix. Whoops. This is a gold and silver holographic foils. Ooh, look at here. It's a pink one. That's really pretty. I don't have that one. Ooh. Whoops, this is all twisted. This is a marble. Last but not least, look how pretty that is. I hope it's coming across on camera because this is really beautiful. This is what Charlie has donated for one lucky winner. So if you haven't already entered my 1K giveaway, look for that video and enter now. Also, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, click all so you don't get lost in the shuffle and the bustle. And that way I know that you have subscribed. Check out everything in the description box, all my discount codes, the people who else who need watch time. There's a few more girls other than myself. My brain's going blank. But this is my Charlie's nail art haul for today. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed what you saw. Leave me a comment down below with your thoughts. And have yourselves a blessed day.